This was given to me by the seller for my consideration. Now, this is the Biotin Peptides shampoo, and this has got a lot of amazing ingredients that are meant to stimulate your scalp and your follicles to put it in the best position to make your hair grow. So my length has, I believe, plateaued, and I am looking for something to help put it over the edge, and I believe that this may help. So this is kind of like a treatment for your scalp, even though it's in a shampoo form. And because I am African American and I have relaxed hair, I am going about this in my own way. So I am targeting my scalp only when I use this shampoo. It's recommended that you wash for at least 2 minutes. And I'm really making sure that I'm getting those areas that I want to see some improvement, my nape areas, my edges, and then generally speaking, all of my scalp. And then I'll go back in with my regular conditioning shampoo to do the strands of my hair. So I make sure that I am keeping my relaxed hair moisturized and as healthy as possible. I do have a lot of growth that I worked really hard for. My hair is about 21 inches, and I am looking to get it to about, I don't know, maybe 25 inches, 26 is my goal. So I am making sure that I keep the hair that I have on my head, and do what I can to improve the health of my scalp. The shampoo smells great. It didn't leave any type of residue or anything, and I like it so far. It's recommended that you use it for about 3 months to see actual improvement.